Hello friends, so today we will learn how to take backup and restore FortiGate firewall. So if you have that FortiGate firewall in your production, and if you want to take a backup, that we will learn, and how to restore. Suppose you are having new your FortiGate is faulty and you want to replace. You have that configuration and you want to restore the configuration. So how we you will do that? That also we will have a look on that. So before I start that, I have covered this topic in my previous lecture. So you can, if you want to have a look, you can check FortiGate folder in my channel. Okay. So for that one, first we will go on FortiGate. Here we will see the status. It just started 4 minutes ago. Okay. So for taking the backup, what we will do, we have to go here, and here we have to click on configuration and then backup. Okay. So in backup, we have to click local PC. It will take, or any disk. If we want to put in any disk, we can put that one. So we will take in our local PC. So I am selecting this one, and we need to click on here. So once you click this one, so it will save as a unencrypted file. So I will show you that one. So if you will see that one, okay, so here you can see that that is the file. If I will open this one, so it is showing all the configuration. Okay. So yeah, it is not secure one. So for securing the configuration as well, we can do the backup another way as well. So for that one, you have to click on encryption, and here you can give the password. So here admin, here admin, and we will save the configuration. Now what will happen, it will encrypt that configuration. Okay, so no one can have a look on that. So same, both way you can keep our configuration. So here if you will see, if we will open this one, so it will be the encrypted one. Here you can see it is encrypted one. Okay. So if we want to just secure that one, that we can use an encrypted one, and if we want no encryption, we can use this one. Okay. So this is the way how we take the backup. Okay. Suppose we want to do the restore the configuration, that we will have a look on that. Okay. So before that, restoring, suppose current configuration we have this one, and I will delete all of this. So and we will restore that one. Okay. So I will delete all the policies what I have configured before. So if you will see here, we don't have any policy, only deny one is there, that we cannot delete. Okay. So now what we will do, we will go on same here, configuration and restore. So we need to restore the configuration here. So restoring, we have to select the file. Okay. For selecting the file, you have to click on upload. Okay. Here when you will click here, so we have to click on the folder, which folder we want. Okay. So it will be in under download. So I just we have one. Okay. So we will select the encrypted one. Let's see. And here we have to put the password as a Cisco. Okay. And we have to click OK. So here it is asking for reboot. So restoring the global configuration will cause the device to restore. Are you sure you want to continue? We will click on OK. Okay. Password which we have given, that was admin. My mistake. Okay. Let me click here. So now it is rebooting. Okay. If you will see, it is rebooting now. It will take like 5 minutes, if we want to see that one, we can just go here, we can take the console. It will show something. Once it will come up, it will show here. Okay, so you can see it is starting now. So we have to wait like 5 to 10 minutes easily take. Let's see. So it is rebooted. Let me give that password. Admin, admin. So password is taking, it means it like came up. Now we will wait for the GUI. We'll have a look on that. So you can see now it rebooted and we can see the pop-up. Now I will give the password to login. Now we are able to log in here. Okay, and if we will see that time, it will show it 2 minutes and it just came up. So just to checking the configuration, if we will go in network, we will check the interface configuration, you will see. And as we just deleted that policies, let's see the policy. So here you can see all the policies there. Okay, so same way you can restore your configuration. So for restoring the configuration, it doesn't matter, you can select any of that. If it will ask for the password, you have to give the password, otherwise you don't require. Like here, if I will go here and I will select from here second one, if I am giving, okay, I'm taking this one, and if I will click OK. So if password is not there, it will not ask for any password. Okay, so it is going for reboot. So I selected another one which I took the backup without password. So if password was there, so it will ask for the password. So second one was not having any password, that's why it didn't ask any password. It is again going for reboot. Okay, so it will take some time to reboot and will come up. So it rebooted again. If I will give the password, so it is taking the same password, it means like the configuration is restored. And after 1 minute, it will show the GUI as well. It is asking for the password and setup. So while rebooting this one, okay, we can't check anything else. Okay, it's rebooted. Now we have to log in again, and now we can check here later. Okay, so here you can see it rebooted, just came up. Okay, and that's it for this lecture. And if you want me to create any other video for any topic, please comment, and we will create one topology for that one as well. And thank you for watching.